Hello and welcome back to my channel. We're going again with another decorating series. You may have seen this room before on my channel. It was a spare bedroom, but we never had anyone stay, so we got rid of the bed, and then I've just used it as my office space but also my changing room kind of thing. So it's been a little bit of a mixture, and this is the main problem and the main reason why I want to redecorate the whole room again. It's the issue of what I'm actually using this room for. You really do have to take into consideration when you're decorating rooms of what you're actually going to be using that room for, so that you can make the most out of it, basically. I've got a wardrobe in here, which majority of my stuff in there is coats, and then also I have some socks in there and underwear, and then I also have all my gym stuff, so all my stuff for running, and I tend to get changed for that in here. So I kind of need that space to be able to do my makeup as well in here and things like that, but also a little office thing, and also I keep wanting space to do yoga as well. That's a lot of things to cram into one room that is literally just a narrow rectangle shape, so it's just a lot. The amount of times I've moved the cupboards around in here and moved the desk around just trying to find the ideal spot. I had a chat to Jim the other day and he has suggested a perfect spot for my desk opposite to my window, and I have decided then to not just move my desk there but to change everything. So this room, as you can see, well, you can see that I've been assembling some colours there, is just grey. And grey has been the theme that we've gone with for the whole house pretty much. But this room, I just feel I want to bring some warmth into it. I kind of got my eye on wooden things. I just want to really make it look a little bit more expensive and less plain, and just, my problem is recently is, well, over the past few years, I keep buying different items for the room and say, oh, you know, I really like this and I really like this, and then I bring them home and try and put them in the room, and I'm like, none of this goes, because my mind's just all over the place with what theme I want to go for this room, and then I bring stuff home and it just doesn't work together. So I have properly planned this, been thinking about it for weeks, honestly. I've been dreaming about it, I've been researching stuff late at night, trying to figure out what theme do I want for this room. So today is day number one of trying to tackle this room. So we're just gonna get some paint on the walls. I have decided on a colour. It took me a while, it took me a lot of samples to figure out what colour I wanted. I've gone with Dulux Natural Hessian. Hessian? Not sure, I think that's how you say it. And this is just a lovely shade of creaminess, but without too much yellow. And I was fighting between this one and Egyptian cotton, and I just kind of felt this had a bit more warmth and less grey to it, less greeny tone. I just felt this was the one. So I'm going to paint the whole wall, all of the walls in this shade, and then I am thinking of doing some sort of colour blocking. This is why there's so many different shades behind me. I want to do maybe some sort of, yeah, I'm going to do a shelf above the desk, and then I'm thinking of colour blocking behind it, but we shall see. I've not fully decided yet, I'm not fully decided on the shade, so I thought let's get the initial colour on all of the walls and then move a bit of furniture around, and then we'll go from there. Stay tuned.
You got me like in a box. I adore everything you touch. Say, do you believe that we were meant to be? My body craves identity. Green mango peach, what a tease. Calling me like the rainbow. Oh, pretty please, take it easy. No one likes push and shove. Let go of control. Treasured skies, I'm staring deep into your green eyes. Well, two is one, so we begin. Oh, I follow you till the end, my darling. Green mango peach, what a tease. Calling me like the rainbow. Oh, pretty please, take it easy. No one likes push and shove, let go of Jack in a box. I adore everything you touch. Say, do you believe that we were meant to be? My body craves identity.
Damn, definitely gonna need 2 coats. I was hoping it would be a 1 coat mission, but never mind. It is a 2 coat mission.
Tapping with my finger on the window. You keep pushing me away. I should let go. Messed up, I stare at you and wonder if you had my eyes to see, would you have found her? Would you be a rock if I'm a twister? Or a bed for her to be in while you kiss her? I know it's not just ordinary people who would sympathize. I know it's not just ordinary minds that think alike. Winking, thinking it was you. I'll be showing off my feathers while I do. Your heart's still wrapped around my finger. Have a hard time finding home when we're together. Dressed up, I stare at you and wonder if you had my hands to lead, would you have gone there? I heard it's not the ordinary days that make this go away. I'm looking at your face, but you just turn the other way. I know it's not just ordinary people who would sympathize. I know it's not just ordinary minds that think alike. Winking, thinking it was you. Now I'm showing off my feathers while I do. Winking, thinking it was you. Now I'm showing off my feathers while I do. You always dreamed of making it big in your town. People had a certain walk and a certain frown. Steady and heavy, or younger than 20. Put some color on those cheekbones. It's never too late for you to get well known. We'll teach you to blush and how to get your way. Useful tricks. Once you get the taste of it, you lay all them bricks higher and higher. You'll reach your desire. Put some color on those cheekbones. It's never too late
I bought a couple of these beautiful hooks from Home Sense the other day, and I just think they're going to look lovely. No idea what I'm going to hang on them. I just think they'll look really good with the kind of wooden look, and they were only $4.99 each. And a simple little hook there that I can hang them on the wall with. I think they'll look lovely. I just don't know what to do with them yet. I'm going to call that a day right now with this vlog here, and that's day 1 down. I think I've done quite a lot. I'm just really messy now and need to tidy up, and the house has so much stuff in it everywhere. Like half the stuff that was in this wardrobe is just in another room at the moment, so I'm going to do all the boring chores now. Yeah, we're getting there. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Stay tuned to see what happens next. It's all very exciting. I'm exhausted. I can't even say goodbye properly. Goodbye.